Mwancho murigari w'Ensoko TV nyegenete ngo mu basogo gorumuya kitariki 52 mutinyino yikomiri tukolia tichikabere na namonongo chikokomanyi unato ikera semensa yoboralia lietaliane ni Innocent Onyango. Mwancho murigari tugochaka kurwa ase chinsemo che county ya Busia monogeri we Senate Omuske Amason Kingi oraire rombe ya baseneta goika ase county ya Busia eliokobeka maiso na korabu na chi county chigokora emirimo yabo anene mona asogo tumike nibo kubwatekana no mubaro bw'abantu mugabana we county yo Muske Paul Tuma nigatogirie egeikarikyo asatebire taro ya baseneta nigera sira bagabana bakora gosekonyora obokonyi bw'enibo
na lengo na shabaha la Senate kuja katika mashinani ni kuhakikisha kwamba mwanzo tumeondoa ile pazia ambayo iko baina ya bunge la Senate na wananchi wa kawaida.
Sometimes we plan for a demography here of just 1 million people in Busia, but you come to realize that that number may go up to even almost 30% because of the movement of people in and out. And sometimes this really puts a lot of strain on our infrastructure, medical facilities.
Umurikyo monene wekyombe kebintu byoro sana Sylvia Museya otebira abasaya bange nigo bagendete konyoro muchando kera bagendete gusaba enibo yasyoligwa yekiganja kyanyota weteraso mutandao kurende nigatebire serikali yabikiremero belyo yogokora muchando yo na niga yakwaniraya ase chinsemo cha Machakos University eyogotoka ase county yu ya Machakos,
which is there's an opportunity for young people. They should be deserving, so that we are not giving 50,000 to someone who already can get that 50,000 from somewhere else. Teach them if they borrow, they must return. Teach them that if you sow a seed, you must nurture it and make sure that it grows. So if the first business venture does not go through, let them not give up.
I believe 900 is a very big figure compared to those who applied. 970 is a very big figure for people not to turn up. Very few turned up. And again, also I wanted to maybe answer Madam who said, oh, if you are over 29 and the government is not looking at you, RPL normally does not know the age. I'm talking outside the project. RPL does not consider the age. If you feel you have a skill and you don't have papers, however way you acquired those skills, either formally or informal, or whichever the method, please also you are invited to register or to venture your interest, and we can test you and certify you and RPL program.
Mwancho muligereri hogendete ukobolinga aswando siosole kwanyore okonyi kurwa asike ganji kikyanyota gosinoro chimuchando ndi bwensi nabukuru birengereri byawo gwetera se mitandao yaito ali Facebook ili nyare ko bagotumanye tokogenda bosio ebarasa ya bagavana ba nande senga kiende babacholire umugabana bwe county ya Wajia Mohamed Abdullahi nuri bwe county ya Nyeri Omuske Mutaikaiya asibanya ariko babakwaye gwentundende yo chiko babanyakirogo mugabana Abdullahi nigara ireli baga lyoko bo munyakirogo na asekaiga arabo mukonyoye asegeka kyomwaka yomo.
Today, in fulfillment of the provisions of sections 19(2) and 3 of the Intergovernmental Relations Act 2012, the Council of Governors convened a full council meeting in which elections were held for the executive and technical committee chairs. The council's elections are undertaken by consensus, and we unanimously agreed on the leadership that will steer the council for the next 1 year, the executive leadership of the Council of Governors for the next 1 year. Chairperson of Council of Governors, yours truly, His Excellency FCPA Ahmed Abdullahi, Governor of Wajir County. Vice Chair of the Council of Governors, His Excellency Dr. Mutahi Kahiga. The Council disassociates from the headline about the death of 136 babies and categorically states that it is not factual, it is pure witch hunt. Let's keep that toxic politics out of healthcare.
Mwancho murigali omurwaneri bwekirgo kyoburayi bwense gwetere kiama kya United Green Party musike David Maraga uragire byara kitaro cy'empowerment ya satebire nigo kire cy'oburimo ekera cy'isukuru kigenderete gutwara umucando boko burwa kibese cyogosira kisemi cyogutakanirwa nigaya kwanira ya sechinsemo cy'ugunja iyo gotoka imeye county ya Siaya.
To be given out as empowerment. In fact, it was an irony that the teachers go to State House to be given handouts, and the classes are empty because the children are not there. There is no capitation. We want to condemn that. This is all corruption. This is corruption. Money has been taken from education to be given out as empowerment, which is actually bribery, and yet the lecturers are out of classes. Those are among the things we don't want, and those are the things we want to.
Ekiombe kia okwa uchumi kia mochiri ababunge asobotume kyobobebwe kegancha kia NGCDF abarayi bekiombe kia okwa uchumi ni bayakwanira yayiga ase omoboganyo yomo imeyo mucyoyo o Nairobi.
As we wind up CDF, we must also take a step to allow our members of parliament not to be the mediums of development, not to be the people who give us charity. Let us go to members of parliament offices to tell them we do not have capitation for schools. We do not have roads. Let us not go to members of parliament to bury our dead, to help us with maternity bill. And that way we can wind up CDF. Nipeni makofi ndio niendelee. We are seeking that we do conduct a forensic and performance debt audit. At the height of the Gen Z, there was an attempt by the president to constitute a task force to audit our debt. Our own Dr. Ruko had been taken there as a joint secretary. He never accepted the offer. He's up to the task, but all audits must remain firmly in the office of the Auditor General.
Togobeka maiso asumugiro bwa borokia bali bagosomya City University aborokia be University ya Laikipia besokiri na gusaba koigwa negati ekiombe kya wasu nabateneri be University eliyo banyarako babakonyora libaga lyugokora masomo abo gosemero belibe ya masomo nakonyora libaga lyokonyora kiguto cyabo ase kingaki kiwenerete.
We are demanding all of them to come out and show their frustration in the universities, and we are going to join lecturers, or we are going to join the streets after 72 hours. We are demanding, and we are not begging anymore.
Also, I'm requesting UASU to stand loyal, not one university to strike while others are on with the studies. We are all comrades, we are all equal. If it is a strike, let all the universities go for strike. Not one, not others. All universities to go to strike.
Tiru mwancho mulige noro boti rwabali bakurije emeremo asomurikyo monena se wizara yobokorelie emeremo gose yemeremo muske Dr. Shadrack Mwadime asabira abakenya kwelikia asenchera wikirano kirabachikoligia emeremo asechinsisko satebire bagwenete koligia bitambulisho bigwenerete na niga ya kwaniraya kurwa ase ense ya Canada.
To give a warning to young Kenyans that getting a tourist visa does not guarantee you a job in the international labor market. A work permit will guarantee you a job, and it is the responsibility of the government of Kenya and the governments of the countries of destination to ensure that that pathway is established. So rather than being cheated, hoodwinked, people steal your money for no reason at all, it's better that we create this pathway and you're able to follow it to access the job that you need to take up in these countries of destination. The object of our coming to Canada is to source for employment opportunities for our young people, and our focus is on skilled manpower. The object as to why we are pushing for this labor mobility program is to ensure a number of our young people are able to secure employment opportunities in the international.
Na kurua asensemo ye county ya Kisii abasae nigo barure birengereri byabo na sibakwanene Soko TV sibatebire nigo bagendete kurigereria emiroberi ya serikali na nene mono bali bakwamireria serikali nigo banyara ko babakora no umusawo yo Masilieta Dennis uyumanyekanite Asilieta Linde Mburembe sibarure birengereri byabo igoro yo bakoreri bwa serikali.
Igotugo sabantu muna abasae asense ito ya Kenya ase sababu ni ntutu arangeretio muske Fred Matiang'i aiche koligia obo president ya sisi ya Kenya. Togo sabase party opposition. Abasae baiguri bagari abene banyare kwamazisha abasae bande elinde babwate chikura na ande dali baratwale chinguru choko chora barayi babo 2027.
Igonta gete kote yabana intuntu bwati man na barayi bo opposition because tuangere konyento bwati man na barabo asa abasae tuatigiru usiko. Igente ke kworoki na abasae tuatigiru usiko litikolia igoro. Gachagua, Wycliffe Wamalwa, Kalonzo Musyoka, Martha Karua, na ubarenga alias barenge koli kichikura. Musae tayo nono yomo etuwe opportunity akwane address ate mejando ki tobwate buna basae. Antu balibeta kirete ngaki ya bakirusia serikali ya Ruto bachikwe bagere biroko. Ntora bisana biko chikwe biroko after chikule chikwera. Babo Martha Karua boigo. Iko tata ino ntu mwezi mwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Kayo tikalozi cabinet ya mangana ye campaign. Aligereria abasae mono ekegara abasae na ubamurete Kenya gabagatena na abwenete kobe president ya Kenya.
Mbuya mono agenda ya one time ningia. But also ntotete gotwara mangana ko inspire. Amangana akorusia enyoka gusakorusia ngitie ngoroime esenge ncho toege chikura chabasae aba bakebakuru kuchensi bakinire bakorire chisukuru lakini batabwati chigaspa okora.
Litangani as opposition intuna abasae nduranya rokobato kweguribaga ekiagera bono yekere ase abanta banene bakalekomera na chioteli neme bagani bagotitore ndagire bitore byabire buna chinyongo batwebire ntuno abasae. We are nowhere anywhere near yo ikira no Mr. Fred Matiang'i
asae baito tigabazo kababwate chikura lakini serikali erusie kendo kigeri hizo ekiagera abasae bange babwere kutibwate chikura kendo hizo bagote kuna batiko rusuwe hizo banyakubwate kura egende kingere tobwa bamono.
Mwancho muliri wikirabu ne kiromo elio bwa amaya chinsa isano berbono mugaso igo chetire chitaika 14 asomo basobono indoche ngaboni gaba MCB county ya Kisii nigo baikara state gikaro bagendrete kurigererio botumiki bw'ikibese aso mwaka bw'ikirubere 25 na mwaka bw'ikirubere 25 nomo asibagendrete kurwe birengereri byabo igoro yo gusangiririrwa kwenibo ngati yamangana aliyo kuchikoba gukomanyiwa nabaliki baito kere chinsire chikire chinsa 10 litaliane Innocent Onyango.